Hi, welcome to everyone's Chef Life YouTube channel. Today we are going to make pistachio homemade cookies. So stay with us and subscribe our channel. You will learn, you will know what's going on in Dubai and what's the trending desserts. You can learn so many things about pastry and bakery. So I will explain now the ingredients. All-purpose flour 165, baking powder 1.5 gram, baking soda 2.5 gram, eggs 45 gram, vanilla essence 2.5 gram, brown sugar 70 gram, white sugar 70 gram, soft butter 76 gram, pistachio paste 150 gram, and the raspberry for the filling. You will see end of the video. First I am going to mix butter, brown sugar, white sugar, eggs. I will add slowly. So we are going to start mixing. We will add slowly egg. Don't add all in one time. You will add time. You can see sugar already melted. It looks like a cream. So you can recognize it's almost melted, almost ready. So now I'm going to add pistachio paste. I'm going to mix baking soda and baking powder. I will mix with flour before I'm mixing. Flour, baking powder and baking soda. When you mix the flour, mix very slowly, very gently. If you can fold by your hand, much better. Now I'm going to add vanilla essence. You can see my pistachio cookies mixture is ready. So I'm going to keep in chiller 5 minutes. Then I will make the cookies. Now our cookies mixture is ready. So I'm going to make portion. One portion 60 gram. Then I will show you how to stuff the raspberry. Like that, and make small hole and we'll stuff raspberry. You see, you cannot see from the outside. I use silk pad, but you can use even baking paper. When you finish your cookies ball, please don't press. Keep it like this. If you press, filling will come out, so leave it like this. So we are going to bake our cookies now. Let's go. Control 165 Celsius, 6 minutes, fan number 2. My pistachio cookies is ready. Let's see. Wow, looks so nice, delicious. Oh, real, I feel like I'm in the pistachio garden. What is this?
What is this? Pistachio raspberry cookies. Wow, it's
pistachio
looking.
raspberry cookies. Check.
Oh, it is yummy, man. Yummy.
Who made this? Who made
You
this?
are the one. Mmm.
What's the taste?
It is yummy. Yummy. Yummy.